I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Judy with me. She is a trooper. She didn't know she was being filmed today. So I have been doing Judy's hair now for quite a while. She moved here. I do her sister's hair, and anyway, she started coming, and now we are amazing friends, and she's a hoot. She is fun. What I wanted to show you with Judy's hair is how to color your own hair. Sometimes when you color your own hair, it feels like it's splotchy, like it's not an even color. So I thought I'd give you just a few tips that if you are going to do one color, what you can do, okay? First off, if you don't have a cape, obviously, then, and I put a towel underneath her, just, you know, cover the shirt or whatever. I would just take a towel around your neck, just clip it here with a clip, just so it stays off of your clothes. Okay, then, this is a 5NN, and I use the Top Chic. This is a permanent color with 20 volume to cover gray. So in the mirror, when you're doing this, I would just kind of hold your hair back like this, and I would just come along your hairline. Yeah, Judy, she's a sweetheart. She'd just do whatever. She's like, it is what it is. I love her.
Well, somebody that calls or texts you, can you help?
Yeah, hey, it worked perfect.
Oh,
it really
no.
did. I had a cancellation.
Oh,
and so,
I'm glad, because I thought, I am the biggest pain.
No, you're not. It's called life.
Yeah.
Darn life anyway. Okay, so you can see I'm just coming along her hairline. Just make sure I get all those little hairs in the front.
All those sparklies.
Yes, all the sparklies. That's a good way to put it. All the sparklies. Okay, so just come get those little sparklies right there. So yeah, just hold all that back. That way you can get around the hairline real good. And I know that you guys are probably thinking, yeah, but Judy's not putting it on herself.
Yeah.
But the thing that I want you to do is just maybe practice in going, just doing these steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so in the side, same thing. You're just going to go around the hairline. And obviously, if you need somebody to help you with the back part, then go for it. Just have them hit that hairline first. And I just like to just push the hair out of the way to get that hairline. See, just like this, just hold that hair up out of the way. Okay, push that hair, same thing. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe her ear so I don't get that on her ear. Okay, so you can see I've hit the whole hairline all the way around. Now what we'll do is when you're looking in the mirror, whether you do it before or just with the end of your comb, just hold that back and then just start in the middle. If you go in little sections and then just take your comb, push that over so you can get the next little area. Because a lot of people, it's hard not to just kind of slap it on your head when you're doing it yourself. But if you take just a little bit extra time to do little sections like this, your color will be so much more even. It will look nice. section, flip that up. That way you can get really close to and on the scalp, so you're not missing any of those silver things. Judy doesn't have many though, so that's a plus. At least I've seen a lot of gray. I guess she can be gray for her, right?
Yeah.
Because when you see yourself, you know what it's been like. So when it changes, it's hard. And then I'll show you what I do after I do all these little sections.
My little granddaughter said, something's in your hair.
Oh, are you
I
serious?
says, what do you mean? And she says to her mother, look, I can't pull it. I
No
can't get it out."
way, that is so cute.
It was just my little sparklies.
That is so cute. If you guys didn't hear that, that was darling. She says that her granddaughter said to her, Grandma, you have something in your hair. And then she looked at her and says, wait, I can't pull it. Oh, too cute. Okay, so now obviously I'm just coming to this other side and putting that color on. Another little section and move that over. That is hilarious. Kids are so like,
Truthful.
yeah, there you go, exactly. Even when we don't want them to be sometimes, just kidding. Yeah, too funny. Kiddos.
She'll probably look in her hair and try to see if she's got it.
Yeah, she will too, right? That's
Yeah.
usually how it happens. Okay, so I'm just coming down this side. There we go. Okay. All right, so after you do the tops going down to the sides, then you're gonna come up here on your top, okay? And you're gonna do that, and then you'll just take another little section like you did on the front. And if I was you, I would just stay in one part of your head. So, like this, I'm just gonna take these little sections and I'm gonna come straight down the middle back here, okay? And then once I'm done with the middle, then I'll go to the one side and then the other side. Okay, so now we'll come to this side. And once you get in the habit of it, it'll be easier and easier. It might feel awkward at first to take sections like this, but once you do, you will get it. And then it'll feel so much better because the color will be all even. Okay, so I'm just gonna rub this off a little bit. I can see that I went a little bit too far on the color right there, just on her skin. Okay, now this side. Same thing, just little sections. Okay, and now what I like to do so the color is even throughout, because you can see I didn't go through all the ends at first, just kind of through the mid. I come through here with a thicker, it's not as tight, you can see there's little openings. I like to do that, and then I just like to comb. And this way, especially if you're doing it yourself and you can't see exact, this will help get those little areas that you maybe missed by accident. Because let's be real, it's different doing something on the top of your head than somebody obviously like me doing this, but I'm just trying to give you little tips that could help you by doing it yourself. She's like, that feels good. Maybe you should keep doing that. Yeah, see, so that's another thing. It'll feel good when you do that.
This is therapy.
Yes, there you go. Good therapy. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so you can see I started there. I went around the back, come up through this area. And that way, it's all covered. Okay, and then after I do that, I just take a towel and I go around, because how many of you out there have colored yourself? Maybe more of yourself than your hair. Oh, that happens too. It's normal. I do just like to go around and see if there's any little spots that I've really, colored the ear or something like that, and just wipe them off before it processes the whole time. Well, your granddaughter won't see any shiny after this. It'll be shiny, just brown shiny. All right. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys. We are just going to let this process, and then we will show you her cute haircut when we are done. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. See ya.